Okay, so let's go now to the AI descriptions. I love this part because this is so cool. Now, you're wondering, what is the AI description? When you create your video, the AI tool uses the text in the video to create captions for you. Again, this is about making life easy when you think about it. So it could create a caption for TikTok that'll be different for YouTube and Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube Shorts actually here, and then YouTube Long. So let's say we were creating this as a short. We would just click Shorts over here and click Generate Description. And see, it says local businesses missing out on traffic by not optimizing their online presence. I could simply copy this. It has all the hashtags, and then I could post it in my YouTube Shorts. The same goes for Instagram. If I want to generate a description for Instagram and I click Generate, as you can see, optimize your online presence to reach more customers, don't miss out on local traffic. It totally changes it. And now if we go to YouTube, it probably will be longer because it gives it a longer description for YouTube. And look at that, quite long. Let's see Facebook. What does it generate for Facebook? As you can see, so different, captions here that you can use. Look at LinkedIn. The AI tool is creating these captions for you to use for the videos that you've already put here. So I'm not worried about, after I'm done, let me think about what I need to write to put this video up there that's going to make it engaging. No, the AI tool has already done that for you. Like, this is what makes vidyo.ai really, really a great tool. Really, really a great tool.